In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok Shop deactivated or banned. If your TikTok Shop has been deactivated or banned, don't panic. The first thing to do is respond directly to the notice TikTok sent you. Open the app and look for the notification about your shop status. Tap that notification to view the details. You should see an option labeled Appeal. Select that and then carefully follow the instructions provided on the screen. The appeal process will guide you step by step, and it's important to answer every prompt fully and accurately. Explain what happened in clear, factual language, and if the form asks for supporting information, provide exactly what is requested. Keep your tone professional and concise. If the appeal asks for contact information, make sure the email you enter is the one you actively check and double-check for typos before submitting. When you finish, submit the appeal and note any confirmation number or message you receive, since that can help you track the case later. If the appeal option doesn't resolve the issue or you're still having problems, use the Contact Us option within TikTok. Open the app, go to your profile settings, and look for the support or help section where you can contact TikTok. In the form, provide the necessary details about your account and the situation. Choose a topic that matches your issue, such as TikTok Shop account deactivated or banned. In the description, clearly explain what happened and what you're requesting. Include your account details as the form asks, your email address, and your name. Make sure everything matches the information on your TikTok Shop so the support team can verify your identity. Keep your message straightforward, what changed, when it happened, and that you'd like your shop reviewed for reinstatement. Once everything is complete, submit the request and save any confirmation provided. After you've sent an appeal or contacted support, keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam folder in case their reply lands there. Avoid submitting multiple duplicate requests, as that can slow down the process. Instead, reference your original ticket if you need to follow up. While you wait, continue to review TikTok's shop policies so you're ready to stay compliant moving forward. Patience and clarity go a long way here. By using the in-app appeal and the Contact Us form with accurate, complete information, you give your account the best chance of being reviewed and reactivated.